बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं सब लोगों का जो मेरे चैनल को विज़िट करते हैं उनका बहुत शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ। दोस्तों, पेडागोजी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्शन है, चाहे आप एनटीएस की तैयारी कर रहे हो या पीएससी की तैयारी कर रहे हो। आप लोगों को पेडागोजी से मुतालिक मेरी जितनी भी वीडियोस जो मैंने अपलोड की हैं वो लाजमी देखनी चाहिए, क्योंकि इन वीडियोस में जो मटेरियल यूज़ होता है वो इंटरनेट से कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं होता। मेरे रिलायबल सोर्स है जो सिर्फ बुक्स हैं, और वो भी अपडेटेड करंट बुक्स हैं, उनसे वीडियो तैयार करके आपकी खिदमत पेश करता हूँ। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको मेरी वीडियोस लाजमी हेल्प आउट करती होंगी। इस वीडियो में हम पेडागोजी को ही कवर करेंगे और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है एजुकेशनल मेजरमेंट एंड एवेल्यूएशन। चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज्ड फॉर measuring sample of behavior is test, measurement, assessment, evaluation. The right answer is test. Limited to quantitative description of pupils, performances, evaluation, measurement, test, examination. The right answer is measurement. The purpose of evaluation is to make decision, prediction, judgment, opinion. The right answer is judgment. The purpose of evaluation is to make judgment about educational, quantity, quality, time period, age. The right answer is quality. Evaluation that monitors learning progress is placement evaluation, formative evaluation, diagnostic evaluation, summative evaluation. The right answer is formative evaluation. A formal and systematic procedure of getting information is assessment, test, measurement, evaluation. The right answer is test. The process of obtaining numerical value is test, measurement, assessment, evaluation. The right answer is measurement. A sum of question is test, testing, assessment, examination. The right answer is test. The first step in measurement is decisions of what to measure, development of the test, administering the test, marking the test. The right answer is decision of what to measure. The purpose of formative evaluation is monitoring progress of student, selecting students, promotions to the next grade, check final status. The right answer is monitoring progress of the students. To assess achievements at the end of instruction is placement assessment, formative assessment, summative assessment, diagnostic assessment. The right answer is summative assessment. Vast of all in scope, test, measurement, assessment, evaluation. The right answer is evaluation. Permanent difficulties in learning are investigated in summative evaluation, diagnostic evaluation, formative evaluation, none of above. The right answer is diagnostic evaluation. Broader in meaning is aim, objectives, instructional objectives, specific objectives. The right answer is aim. Procedures used to determine person's ability is maximum performance test, typical performance test, normal reference test, criterion reference test. The right answer is maximum performance test.